Okay, now I'd like to offer you a sun salutation practice, Surya Namaskar, 12 postures to really invigorate the whole body, clear the mind, clear the main energy centers of the body. Let's go. So facing the sun if you can, or facing the window, face the light, turning, hands to prayer pose. Take a deep breath here. Both arms rising, reaching up and back. Exhale, forward fold. Knees could be bent. Right foot stepping back into a lunge. Now it could be just a nice, easy lunge there, or you could walk the back foot back into that nice deep lunge. Shoulders rolling back, looking up, take a breath in. Hands planting down, stepping back. So you could be to all fours here. You could be to plank pose. Find what's right for you. And anything is good. Please, this is not about I can do yoga, I can't do yoga. Everybody can do yoga. If you can breathe, you can do yoga. So you could be here on the knees. Okay, we're going to lower down. Knees, chest, chin. Knees, chest, chin. Or you could be on all fours and arching, looking up. So arching now. And then exhaling back. Could be child's pose. It could be downward facing dog, if that is right for you. Okay, stepping the right foot through, and sometimes that means coming down onto the knees and helping the leg come through. Or maybe it's that you're able to step all the way through. Inhale, looking up. Exhale to fold. Take a deep breath in as you rise. Saluting the sun, saluting energy, saluting the mitochondria, the energy centers of our cells, and all this amazing energy around us in nature. So again, breath here, breath out. And saluting your effort, saluting your effort to practice today. Exhale, bow. Left foot steps back this time. And again, it could be just a nice little easy lunge like that. It's all good. Or if you're able, deepen the lunge. Look up, take a breath in. Exhaling back. And again, it could be to all fours. Or you could be to plank pose. Feel the strength. Slowly lower knees, chest, chin, or arching the back on all fours. Inhale, looking up. Exhale back again. It could be child's pose, or it could be downward facing dog. Left foot steps through, and again, help it through, or step it through. And then forward fold. Inhale to rise. Exhale to the heart. In gratitude. Wonderful. So that's one round of sun salutations. I'd like to just add in now some movement for the feet, toes. So grounding, so important, especially in our age of technology. Again, if you can, get outside, get the shoes off, spend some time in nature. Okay, use something to hold on to if you need to, but some ankle circles round. And the other way. And then the other foot. So the toes, flexing the big toe joints, all the joints of the foot. So many meridians in the foot. Grounding, waking up the foot. Often we spend time in shoes and trainers and jandals, and it's really important to mobilize the joints of the feet. Okay, hold on to something if you need. Ankle circles, and this is great for balance. Wonderful. Okay, Vrikshasana tree pose, standing on the right leg. And it could be simply peeling the left leg up a little bit. It could be that the knee comes wide, the knee stabilized with thigh muscles active. Find your tree pose. Again, the other foot could be low down. For those with ankle issues, knee issues, really important to retrain our balance. It could be all the way up if that is for you. And again, yoga is never about comparison. I can do this, I can't do that. It's you on you. This is project you. Always do what you can. And again, if you can breathe, you can do yoga. Okay, other side. And again, it could be that the foot stays close to the ankle, could be coming up to the knee. Focus your gaze. Yoga is also very much about focusing your mind. Focus your gaze. Could come right up. And you're very focused doing this 30-day program on your health. So focus your body, focus your gaze, focus on your goals. I've got a weka somewhere close behind me. Wonderful. Yogic squat. Now, use a chair if you need, if you don't have the mobility into your hips and knees. But if you are able to come down into a squat, this is one of the most important poses in yoga for our hips, but also for our digestion. This position really helps digestive process, helps elimination, helps sometimes relieve some wind. So letting the tailbone draw right down. This wild west coast of New Zealand. Wonderful. Coming down to sit, if you can, sitting cross-legged. And doing some circles round, freeing up the pelvis. And again, these are digestive poses, really good for abdominal massage. And the other way. Okay, deep breath in. And exhale, hands to heart. Close your eyes for a moment and congratulate yourself for showing up for this practice and for yourself for this 30-day program. Project you. What greater project than your own health? So sending you love and support for all of you doing this program. Thanks so much for watching, and I look forward to tuning in with you again. Be well.